Hello. So CUET PG exams are starting, and few, I should say, 2 to 3 days left. So I today thought of solving CUET PG 2023 paper. The economics part I thought of. Best of luck to everyone who all are sitting for the examination. So some questions which will be a practice for you also, I think so, and it will be helpful for you all. So first question is based on public economics. What is the concept? Public economics. For this you have the topic market fail in the presence of what? So market fail in the presence, is it the market power, positive externality, negative externality, competitive market, or asymmetric information? Market power means what is the power the market has, or is it the positive or negative externality? We know externality means the effect, the positive or the negative effect on the society. Is it a positive effect or is it the negative effect? Or externality, externality means a school is introduced, so what is the effect of that to the society? Then come competitive market or asymmetric information, means the information, the amount of valuable information one has, is it good or bad? So that is the context. So if I tell you the three things which are being told, that is, one is about externality. First it is externality, second it is competitive market, and third it is information. So these three things one keep to be mounted. So here the answer will be, the options which are being displayed, is it B and C only? Is it A, B, C? Is it B, C, D, or is it A, B, C, E? So the answer is A, B, C only. That is, the market fail in the presence of market power, positive externality, and negative externality. Okay. Now second question, it's a table on what? Private goods, club good, common pool resources, public good. It's again a public economics question again. So private good is what? The options are also being mentioned here, that is it A, 1, 2, 3, 4. So obviously the answer will be private good, rival in consumption and excludable, club good, non-rival in consumption and excludable, common pool resource, rival in consumption and non-excludable, public good, non-rival in consumption and non-excludable. We know all the meanings. The two things are rivalry and excludability. These two things are very much important in this context. Okay, so rivalry and excludability, it determines whether the good will be a public good or a private good. So whole thing is dependent on the rivalry and excludability. These two things determine whether it is a public good or a private good. Now we come to the 28th question. Which of the following statements are correct? Life cycle hypothesis was propounded by Francois Modigliani. Absolute income hypothesis was propounded by Milton Friedman. Relative income hypothesis was propounded by James Dusenberry. Permanent income hypothesis was propounded by John Maynard Keynes. And the options are this. Which one are correct? Obviously one is correct, that is this one, true, and relative income hypothesis. So if anybody asks you that who किसने इन्वेंट किया है लाइफ साइकिल हाइपोथेसिस, what you will tell? Yes, it is Francois Modigliani. And if anybody asks you who has given the concept of relative income hypothesis, the answer will be James Dusenberry. Okay, so this is the concept. Done. So the answer is 1. Now we come to 29 question. Given below there are two statements. One is leveled assertion A and the other reason. Pareto optimality imply that an allocation of resource is inefficient when it is possible through some change in the allocation of resource. So Pareto optimality is a concept of public good which states that allocation of resource is inefficient when it is possible through some changes in the allocation of resource to benefit at least one person without making anyone else person worse off. We know that is obviously always correct. Pareto efficiency takes into account distributive justice and compensation of people affected negatively. So obviously this is not correct. We know. So this one is the correct answer. That this statement is true and this statement is false. Now we come to 38 question. What is the number of degrees of freedom of the residual sum of square in a simple bivariate linear regression with 100 observation? So we know the formula. Here we have to find the degrees of freedom for whom? For the residual, right? So we have 100 observation. We know the formula. What is the formula? N minus k. N now, n is what? N is 100 and k is what? 2. Why? Why k is 2? Because beta 1 and beta 2. We know the formula that y is equal to beta 1 plus beta 2x plus error term, where beta 1 is what? Intercept. Beta 2 is what? Slope, which is associated with a independent variable x, where x belongs to independent variable. And finally comes the error term. We have 7 assumptions obviously on econometrics. So here the answer will be, the final answer will be 100 minus 2, that is 98. So answer will be 98. Okay. Thank you so much for looking at my video, and if you have any query regarding Cuet PG, do write to me, and please do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.